Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of payroll data? Like you're trying to find a specific needle in a haystack, but the haystack keeps shifting? You know, those moments when you desperately need a payroll report from QuickBooks Online, but you're just not sure where to click, what to filter, or how to make sense of it all. Yeah, we've all been there. Look, payroll is the lifeblood of any business. It's how you ensure your team is paid accurately and on time, and it's essential for compliance and financial reporting. But let's be honest. Navigating payroll reports can feel like deciphering a secret code. You need to know who got paid what, when, and how much was withheld for taxes. You need to track deductions, contributions, and maybe even generate reports for specific periods or employees. And in today's fast-paced business environment, you don't have time to waste. You need instant access to accurate data. You need to be able to generate reports quickly and efficiently. You need to avoid those late-night, last-minute scrambles to get everything sorted. That's why we're diving deep into the heart of QuickBooks Online payroll reporting. Now, you might be thinking, QuickBooks Online is supposed to be user-friendly. Why is this so complicated? Well, it's not complicated, it's just powerful. It has a lot of features, and sometimes the sheer volume of options can be overwhelming. But fear not, because today we're going to break it all down, step by step. We're going to show you how to pull the most essential payroll reports, customize them to fit your specific needs, and even export them for further analysis or sharing. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or a complete beginner, you'll walk away from this video with a clear understanding of how to leverage the reporting capabilities of QuickBooks Online Payroll. Think of this video as your personal guide to mastering payroll reports. We're going to demystify the process, eliminate the confusion, and empower you to take control of your payroll data. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about accessing the reports. In QuickBooks Online, you'll find all your reports in the Reports section, which is typically located on the left-hand navigation menu. It's usually labeled plainly, Reports. Clicking on this will bring you to the main Reports dashboard. Now, here's where things get interesting. QuickBooks Online categorizes reports into different sections, including Payroll. Scroll down until you see the Payroll section. This is your treasure trove of payroll-related information. Click on it and you'll see a list of available reports. Let's start with the basics. The most commonly used payroll report is the Payroll Summary Report. This report provides a high-level overview of your payroll for a specific period. It shows you the total wages paid, taxes withheld, and employer contributions. It's a great way to get a quick snapshot of your payroll expenses. To generate a payroll summary report, simply click on it. You'll then be prompted to select the date range you want to include. You can choose from predefined periods like this month, this quarter, or this year, or you can enter custom dates. Once you've selected your date range, click Run Report. And just like that, you'll have a detailed summary of your payroll. You can see the total wages, taxes, and contributions broken down by employee. You can even drill down into the details by clicking on the individual amounts. But what if you need more detailed information? What if you want to see the specific deductions and earnings for each employee? That's where the Payroll Details report comes in. This report provides a line-by-line breakdown of each paycheck, including earnings, deductions, and taxes. To generate a Payroll Details report, simply click on it from the Payroll Reports list. Again, you'll be prompted to select the date range. Choose your desired period and click Run Report. This report will show you every single transaction related to your employees' paychecks. It is very granular. Now, let's talk about customization. One of the best things about QuickBooks Online reports is that you can customize them to fit your specific needs. You can filter the data, change the columns, and even add or remove fields. For example, let's say you want to see a payroll summary report for a specific department or location. You can do this by filtering the report. After running the report, click on the Customize button at the top. This will open the Customization panel. In the Customization panel, you'll see a section called Filter. Click on it and you'll see a list of available filters. You can filter by employee, department, location, or even pay item. Select the filter you want to use, and then choose the specific value. For example, if you want to filter by department, you can select the department you want to include. You can also customize the columns in your report. Let's say you want to add a column for employee ID or remove a column for a specific deduction. You can do this in the Customize panel as well. Simply click on the Change Columns option, and you'll see a list of available columns. You can check or uncheck the boxes to add or remove columns. And if you want to save your customized report for future use, you can do that too. After customizing your report, click on the Save Customization button at the top. You'll be prompted to give your report a name. Enter a name and click Save. Now, your customized report will be saved in the My Custom Reports section. Let's get into a couple of other very useful reports. The Employee Details report is great when needing a quick look at employee information, such as address, hire date, and pay rate. The Tax Payments report is essential when needing to keep track of all payroll-related tax payments made. Now, let's talk about exporting reports. QuickBooks Online allows you to export your reports in various formats, including Excel and PDF. This is useful if you need to share your reports with others or analyze the data in a spreadsheet. To export a report, simply click on the Export button at the top of the report. You'll then be prompted to choose the file format. Select your desired format and click Export. The report will be downloaded to your computer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.